May nga daw na to din ang tanan, mga amigong mga amiga. Uy, gimingaw mo na ako, no? Gimingaw mo na ako, no?
Hala
Bitaw,
ka.
taon na po dyan wala naka-vlog kay daghan dyan kayo tag mga gipang buhat lately and super stressful dyan yung mga nang hitabo sa ato ang panahon karon and then the ongoing process of trying to recover from a lot of things, no? Not only sa unsay nahitabo karon, but I'm also dealing with something else. But very thankful that okay na po ang tanan, though na okay na unta, pero karon naabot na po ni siya. So mo na ako ang ganahan jud pagahisgutan karong adlaw kay actually guys, dugay na jud kay ko ganahan ni nato pagastorya, no? Pero galing lang wala jud ko'y gana, I don't know, wala ko'y gana mag-vlog na yung mga panahon nga kapuyan ako, mag-start na ako pero dili na ako mapadayon ba kay marag lain sa kining paminawon nga wala ganitay kanang gana nga magtigstorya kaniya. Ba't karon na ako'y gana nga magtigstorya ninyong tanan?
Oh, wow, kapalan natin.
So, kani manggong nangahitabo na tong karong panahon na dili raman siguro nato ma-blame tanano sa usa ka nasod or ma-blame sa ubang tao or ma-blame sa specific nga ahensya sa gobyerno, but kitang tanan na jud ta ani kanang unsa ni contribution gani nganong naingani ni siya. Kani nga pandemic that we have right now is really frightening. Like anyone can be a carrier. You don't know, ikaw maski wala kay symptoms din ha. Nag-carry na di ka sa virus, di ba? Then when you talk to someone and then naka-atching ka o pinakalit din ha, chances are katupong tawhana maka-receive ato nga virus or makakuha ato nga virus. And especially if na siya mga chronic disease or if you talk to someone who is already, age 65 and above, ato mga senior citizen. So, susceptible ra ba jud kayo sila sa virus? So, wata kay ba nga nakatugod na data. So, kana po na ko later explain nganong wala sa jud ko mo stay sa among balay knowing that my parents are already 70 years old and above. But anyway, let's talk about this coronavirus or COVID-19. So, COVID stands for coronavirus disease 2019. So, mao na siya ipasabot kay sa katong mga tao nga wala ka kasabutan. I don't know kung sakto ba ko, pero I think sakto po ko. But anyway, it all started in Wuhan, China. And nabawa na to, dugay-dugay or taod-taod, nila gi-release na ito yung whistleblower, but dugay kay nila ginasulti sa WHO that they already have this disease or this virus. So, ang ato jud siguro ang unang ma-blame no kung ano jud himuong tinulang manok ang mga kwaknit. Di ko kasabot guys, ngano ilang sabuan ang kwaknit. Nya usahay ka nang makakita gay kung mga mukbang-mukbang, mga unog ka ng mga dili luto nga atay, unsa pa na lang lapalapas kanding, unsa buko-buko sa slamok, amot maski unsa na lang ilang kanon guys. Naglibog bitaw kung ano yung mga catch nila daw or atong ginatawag nga mga chingkwayla, no? Maglisod jud na natong sabot kung anong naana sila mga ingana. I don't know kung lami ba jud na pero murag dili man. Pero yeah, kanang ano mga ono jud ang mga ingana knowing it's very dangerous. Siguro sa ilaha exciting, but yeah, it is really dangerous. It's dangerous to eat something murag di na to matake ba no nga kanon na siya knowing that those are wild animals. And I don't know. For some reason nga nung usa siya sa ato adyong mahuna-huna or ma-blame. But we really don't know. Maybe those people love to eat those. Pero I just really hope that it will stop. Kay grabe jud ang iyahang ang kanang impact gani nga nagibuhat sa kalibutan. So from Wuhan, China, imagine it already spread out around the world. So lisod siya. So another thing that I want to talk about is also, how China can handle the situation. So if they could have, informed WHO ahead, nga kanang wala jud nila gani gi-contain ang ilahang problema sa ilahang country, then the rest of the country siguro could have prepared, for this thing to happen. Kay murag lahi lagi jud og to nga virus according to the whistleblower. So medyo lisod siya. Lisod jud kayo siya kung nganong wala jud nila. Maybe they have their own reasons. I really don't know why. Another thing ako apong ganahang storyaan is how our country and the rest of the countries as well, or the ilang leaders gani handle the situation. At first ilaha jung gi maliit lang ang virus. They think that it's the same as SARS. It's the same as the other epidemics in the past. But I think the whistleblower already mentioned that this is really a different thing. Paspas kayo jud ang iyang pagtakod, ang iyang pag-transmit sa lain-lain nga mga tao. Gimaliit lang jud nato, and then there was a time na nagpa-accept lang gihapon ta. I think we are just too open siguro sa tanan because we don't want to discriminate. But I think that it's already the time nga dili na unta ta maghuna-huna kung na-discriminate, because we are not really discriminating them to come to our country, but we are really protecting our people. So if that could have been, done at an earlier stage, then wala nang tatamaabot sa mga ingani, di ba? Kaya ito pa yung ipasulod ang mga Chinese people. It doesn't mean that we don't want them to come over to the Philippines, because we are very welcoming sa mga Chinese people, di ba? Not only to the Chinese people, but, bisag kinsa man siguro mga kwan. That's for our tourism and for the growth of our economy as well, or our country. Pero when we heard about it ba, dapat unta to ni action na dayon ta, wala dayon ta naghuna-huna nga tungod ni sa atong ekonomiya and all that. But we could have, think 2 steps ahead ba, kaya naglisod biya sila. How much more kita nga third world country. So there, it was just so unfortunate na we're already here ani nga pandemic. Even before, guys, medyo lain na jud kayo kung pamati. I don't know with you, so just a comment down below if you feel the same way, no? Nga lahi jud ang imong feeling ani. I've been posting, and I'm very vocal on Facebook, so I keep on posting something about it. That this is really different. It's entirely different. With the situation in the past nga kanang wala ta maghagit sa mga tao to stay at home, wala ta mag-close og mga borders, walay daghang nangamatay, sorry. But walay daghang nangamatay ba, kay sa una murag na-contain man dito, na-handle man dito, but this one is really different. And kanang usahay makuan pud biya ko sa mga tao na naging grabe la sad case lamingon sa mga taong nagpanic, just like myself, of course, na panic po ko, because I know this is, but I can feel that this is something different jud ba, as compared to the other viruses nga ato ang nahiaguman sa una. Naiuban mo nga dili magpanic, mga ingan-ingana, o di ba, o kamuna o tanawa karon, di ba? Muna siya, guys. I think di lang sad siguro nato dayon i-judge ang mga tao nga murag bright ra sad siguro kaayo mo, or maybe wala kay may feelings, di ba, towards others. Di man kakasulti, di ba? Ikaw kung maglinog mayon ka, don't panic, di makaingon kapag kanang di ka mo panic, di ka magdagan ka, magkarapil dagan din ako maglinog kung kusog, di ba? You can't really tell. It's a human nature to be panicked sa kanang in a situation that's unusual. So muna, lisod kay taron nga panahon, and tanawa, di ba? Nanatani nga stage nga we have to stay at home. And please, guys, ato sagding panikamutan nga naran siya dun tata sa balay. And to tell you honestly, ako mo'y dapat magkuha og quarantine pass for my parents and para po na mo diri sa balay, cause number one, silang mama o papa, kay they're already 70 years old and above. I think my mom is 71 and my dad is turning 73, or just turned 73 or 72. I'm not so sure, but they're 70 and above already. So ako rin dapat makahatag og quarantine pass. And ako rin dapat makakuha og quarantine pass diri sa syudad, because si Glenn is asthmatic. And so I'm very exposed, And to tell you honestly, makuyawan pud bi ako usahay kay I don't know, I'm very exposed sa mga tao, sa crowd, paglinya pa lang, palit which I'm going to talk about sa in my next vlog. So this is going to be a series of vlogs about the coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic. I'll take this opportunity to talk to you guys and share unsa po ng inyong mga thoughts. You can comment down below. I would be very happy. I would be very happy to answer those. If you have a negative feedback, well, that's totally fine with me. I mean, this is a free country. This is a free world. So you can always drop your comments if you are not agreeing with what I've mentioned. That's totally fine, and that's your opinion anyway. So ako araman po ni di man ko ganahan tiglalis guys kay murag this world is just full of negativity, and there's a lot of things that we should all be positive about. I may be kanang, kanang napoy masturya against atong government officials or the leaders around the world or how a certain country handled the situation, but it doesn't mean I hate them. Murag nalang tadyo opportunities ba, and those are learning opportunities na maita in the future. Hopefully, when everything is all done, we can all learn from this situation. So, mo naman dyan ako, and I don't hate people. Why would I? Diba? And why would you? So, it will be a healthy discussion. I want you to drop your comments below if you want to comment sa what are your thoughts about this pandemic. Kay, I can also do kung board na kayo mo, and I know for sure nga naguna-una mo karon nga mag-TikTok, which I'm also thinking of creating a vlog about TikTok. And if naka-start na ba ko ana or nakabuhat na ba ko, nag-attempt na ba ko, ato nang pagastoryahan sa atong next vlog. But this one is just really, since this is officially the end or the start of day 2 sa ato ang lockdown, I just thought of doing this vlog to tell you and to encourage you to stay at home. Kay lisod jud kayo guys. You may look healthy, wala kay symptoms nga na feel karong mga panahon na, but take note that you can be a carrier of the virus, especially if you're exposed sa crowd. So make sure nga to stay at home. Don't think about yourself, think about others as well. Because kung ikaw, healthy ka, ang ubang tao nga imuhang nakastorya kay dili dito sila healthy, so chances are, mas maglisod sila o recover from the virus. Okay, so stay at home. And in my next vlogs, I want to make sure na atong pagistoryahan ang mga katawanan, ang mga hitabo nga katawanan aning atong giaguman karon. I want you to talk about as well kung unsa inyong na-feel nga nara mo sa balay, unsa inyong gipangbuhat. So comment down below, wala to pagistoryahan or whatever it is that you want to talk about. Let's do that in my future vlogs. So again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. My channel is Bariha Kabay. I'm very thankful nga you are still here sa akong channel. I thought nagkagamay akong subscribers because it has been 2 months, I think, or less than a month. Kaya naman sa ko yung mga snippets, but mga less than a month siguro nga wala dyan ko makahatag og full vlog. But I'm back, and I'll take this opportunity to really talk to you. Nagbalik-balik na ko, no? But that's what I'm going to do, to reach out to you and to tell everyone to stay at home. This is again EJ, your Bariha Bariha Kabay din ako kay Balo. See ya. Stay safe.